Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to do some gaming on my Umidigi F1, but before I get this video started, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to play some heavy games on my Umidigi F1. Wanted to see what this MediaTek processor can actually do. Let's see if this P60 has any type of stuttering. Does it overheat the phone? And also, how does the battery life last? We also want to look at the overall screen and then the sound, the speakers. Do they all play good together? Let's get this going. First thing we're going to check out, there's only one way to check this out. Battery life is at 79%. I will play these games here. Asphalt 9. Let's see, get my camera to focus. Asphalt 9, some PUBG, and then some Tekken, the games I normally play. Let's start with some PUBG really quick. Now, I might edit out some of this video just because PUBG takes a while. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. There you can see where the graphics are. I really suck at these games, by the way. Oh, got a gun. Oh. I always fire stuff when I shouldn't fire. Oh! Take that. I don't think I'm really good at this game. Oh, I got a shotgun. What do y'all think about it so far? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna go look for some people. There's still like 88 people live. I just like shooting the gun. I can't find anybody. Oh, I'm in a circle. That's a good thing. Come on, people. Uh-oh, I'm running. How does that gameplay look? How does it look overall? Y'all let me know. I think it actually plays pretty well. I don't see any skip frames. I killed him with a headshot. I can get in. Where the hell is this thing? Where you at? Where you at? Oh crap. Oh, got him. Dead. Look at the car. What y'all think about this whole video? That's been pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video there. Actually, I think it did that one pretty well. I'm about to play another game. I'm going to do some Tekken. How does this game look? Oh, the Barretts kicking my butt. Oh, I won, baby. How does that sound? It actually sounds amazing. It's really loud. Do y'all see any type of skips? Oh. Oh, I whipped her butt. I'm actually going to turn down the volume some. This game is loud, man. What y'all think about it? I think it's playing great. Looks really good to me. Oh. 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 Oh, KO, baby. Get out the way. She's mean.
Ready for the next battle.
Oh, he's... Oh, combos right there, baby. Oh. Again, how does it look, y'all? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna play one more round. Oh, knocked him. Oh. He's no match for me. That was too easy. What y'all thought about that? That actually played really well. I'm going to play the next game now. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and play my favorite game, Asphalt 9. Alright, so Asphalt 9. Let's check on something before we actually play this. Let's go into... I want to check on the battery. 75% battery. That's not bad at all, to be honest. It's actually pretty good. Let's go back into the game. The phone doesn't feel warm at all. It feels really good. Let's go into this car. It's a little bit warm, but not much at all. Nothing to write home about. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think overall it's doing really well. Get off me! Oh, I went into the turn. They can't hang with me. Oh. Let's get some points. And this is a long track. Oh, I think I'm first. Yes, I'm first. Again, what y'all thought about that? That actually looked really good. It felt really good playing it. But I want your opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I don't care about no events. I just want to play. Let's play this one more time. The phone's a little warm in the back, but nothing major. I don't see any type of slowdowns from the heat anyway. Uh-oh. Get out of my way! In my way! I need that first spot up there. Uh-oh. Alright, get out of my way, dude. I still need a minivan. I need a minivan in this game. Oh, I missed that jump. I don't have no more turbo. Oh, yes. Pulled it off. What y'all thought about that one? That one actually looked better too. I think he did overall did pretty well. Then I'm gonna do one more round. The phone is a little bit warmer than what it was, but again, not overall bad. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video. Get out of my way, people. Haha, yeah, nothing. .360 jump, baby. I told you, get out of my way. Oh, I just flew in. Look at that jump. This is how I really drive in real life, by the way. Oh, I'm wrecked. Oh, that's not good. That is not good at all. I think I just lost the race. Maybe not. Y'all let me know how this looks and sounds. It's playing really well. I'm in first place, 92% of the map complete. 96%. I'm about to win this bad boy again. Alright, so that was some Asphalt 9. Let's get back into the settings here. Alright, so I'm at 72%. I'm at 72% of battery life, so it dropped about 7%. That's not bad playing those type of games. Also, the phone is not overheating at all. It's kind of warm, but it actually kind of cool off that quick. Again, what y'all thought about the games? Y'all let me know how the phone did overall. Let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Umidigi F1. Follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.